Hi beauties, it's me, Allegra. I'm hopping on tonight with a huge makeup subscription box unboxing. I have here the Ipsy Icon box, which was curated by Patrick Starr, who is one of my favorite YouTubers and makeup artists and beauty influencers. So I cannot wait to see what Patrick put together in the Icon box. But I also have the Ipsy Glam Bag, and I do have the BoxyCharm to unbox. So I'm going to be unboxing everything tonight. So without further ado, let's dive into this makeup subscription box unboxing. So let's go ahead and unbox the Glam Bag first. I'm so excited to see what it is. Now in the Glam Bag, you're getting those deluxe size samples, they call them. Sometimes, I really a lot of times think that they are full size. I mean, they're just amazing products. So the theme for this month's Glam Bag is the Secret Garden. So it's kind of reminiscent to me of the Met Gala. Their theme was also garden inspired. So it's beautiful, beautiful garden-esque print. The flowers, absolutely stunning. So I can't wait to see what's inside. And first up, we have this Symbiosis, I believe it's called. Symbiosis. This is a hyaluronic acid, papaya, and glycolic extract, ultra fine balancing sorbet facial exfoliator. Okay, finally we got to it. It's an exfoliator. It's probably a face scrub, which I personally love face scrubs. So let's go ahead and see, what type it is, because there's all different types of face scrubs, right? But, it's more like a gel-like face scrub, which is also really nice. I can feel the granules. I think it's pretty scentless, so that's really nice. So let's go ahead and keep it moving. So here we have a volumizing cream, Sutra Beauty. Now, I do believe actually these are probably plant-based products. So I think that was also part of this month's theme. Let me go ahead and double check for you beauties. But yeah, it's the Secret Garden. Indulge in an oasis of plant-powered skincare essentials. So these are more plant-based, all-natural beauty products. So this one here from Sutra and the previous one that I showed you, and all the ones in the Glam Bag are going to be those plant-based skincare products or beauty products. So this is actually a hair product, and it's going to heat protect your hair and also add body to your hair, it's saying. So I can't wait to try that, because actually, so it's a volumizing cream heat guard for your hair. So that's very unique. I can't wait to try that. And then here is, let's see here, this is a TYS Beauty. This is maybe a lip balm of some sort. It doesn't say, but it does look like a lip balm or probably a lip gloss. So can't wait to try that out. And then here is a Nutrient C Eye Cream from Kat Burkai. So I love eye cream, so I definitely would be into that. Oh, this looks like a palette. So let me go ahead and see what that's all about. Beautiful packaging. Also has the black packaging, but then the inner packaging is these beautiful red roses. Oh, and then this is gorgeous with a butterfly on it. So, that's really beautiful. Beautiful mattes and then some beautiful shimmer shades. So these are the kind of shades I personally love. So I'll definitely be making a look with this. So I'll post that, here or on my TikTok or my Reels or something like that. So now, dolls, I have here the BoxyCharm, which I absolutely love. The BoxyCharm is I believe 5 full-size products. So the Glam Bag, you're getting those deluxe size samples, but they always look at that palette. That was amazing. That's basically a full-size product, right? But now the BoxyCharm, though, is all full-size products. Such an amazing value. I mean, you just cannot go wrong. Oh, actually, this is the Icon box. Wow. Okay, so I have the BoxyCharm still in my little pile here. So actually, this is amazing. This is going to be the Patrick Starr Lights Camera Glam Icon box. This is going to be good, especially if you're a glam beauty lover. Like, I love glam beauty, so Patrick Starr is probably going to come through with the glam for us, right? So I don't even want to read. There's a spoiler alert in this mailer here, but I'd rather just be surprised. So let's go ahead. Wow. Okay. This is amazing. I don't know how they do this. How does Ipsy BoxyCharm do this? Because these products are flippin' amazing. And you do sign up, you do join, and you'd be getting a Glam Bag or a BoxyCharm, whichever you sign up for. And then there's the Icon box, which you get several times a year. So this is amazing. I just looked at this. Let me just show you. It's amazing. This is outrageous. Oh my gosh, I just saw something from One Size in here. I love One Size. Let's see what this is, because I love One Size. Okay, this is the One Size, and this came in the box. One Size Point Made Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner Pen. Can't wait to try that. I've never tried that. And then here is Thick and Smooth Rich Peptide Eye Cream. Can't wait because I'm obsessed with eye cream. And then here is Bounce Boosting Serum with Collagen and Peptides from First Aid Beauty. I love First Aid Beauty, so can't wait to try this. I've never tried it, but I used a few products from them and they were amazing, so can't wait to try that. And then, oh, here's something really nice, a hair and scalp recovery oil. I am obsessed now with those scalp oils and things like that, so I can't wait to try that. And then here is, oh, another one-size product. This is called the Fantasize Ultimate Lifting and Lengthening Mascara. Okay, whatever Patrick says, I am there for it. I'm here for it. I believe it. I'm sure it's going to be amazing because I've never tried, again, never tried anything Patrick Star that wasn't amazing. And then here is, oh, this sounds amazing because I love Benefit Skincare. And so I have tried the cleanser, love it. It's a pore reducing, pore smoothing cleanser, and it really works. And then here they have, which they just sent in the icon box, the Speedy Smooth Quick Smoothing Pore Mask. So I bet it's going to work. I mean, I love everything Benefit. And again, the cleanser worked. After you use the cleanser, your skin is so smooth and your pores look non-existent. So can't wait to try the mask. And then here is a product from Innisfree, another brand that I love, green tea seed hyaluronic acid facial cream. So can't wait to try that. I do believe that's K Beauty. And then here is Kosas Grow Potion Fluffy Brow and Lash Boosting Serum. Cannot wait to try that because I've been having such good luck with my brow serum that I've been using from Amazon. I mean, my brows are so much thicker now. It's crazy. I don't even recognize myself anymore. Sometimes I see myself with these brows and I'm like, who is she? It's the serum that I got on Amazon. Oh, here's Baby Doll. She wants to come and say hi. Go ahead, say hi. Guys, we've been through it all. We've been living in a hotel in New York City for over a week, and the dogs were so stressed out because of the noise, and then they have to go outside, and you know, it's kind of gross outside because there's other dogs going and it's a very small space and they're not used to, they're spoiled, they're not used to it, you know. She's always had her own yard. So she's never had her paws on the street. She's never had rough paws from walking the cement streets and the sidewalks. She's always in the grass. I don't care. Sometimes I would look at her too and I'm like, my girl grew up like a princess. She's like a bitch. She's like a little rich bitch. Like, I did not grow up like that. So that's why sometimes she looks at me and she's like, I'm a princess. And I'm like, oh, I forgot. You know, because I grew up on the street, on the hard streets, you know, and I'm not doing a J-Lo. I really did. So, yes. So, anyway, now Louis sick though, you guys. Louis is sick and we think it's because we were, you know, with the dogs where the other dogs were peeing, and I think, we were like, maybe he picked up like a germ, some parasites. He's throwing up. He's been vomiting 2 nights in a row. We had to take him to the hospital today. They had to put him on an IV drip for hydration. They gave him a hydration pack. They had to give him all kinds of shots. Now they have him on 2 different medications. They said he has to eat chicken and rice, so now I have to cook for him chicken and rice. Well, I don't mind, but you know, I don't really ever do that because my husband is like obsessed with, he thinks that the dogs are better off if they don't eat people food, so he's obsessed with only feeding them the dog food because sometimes it's true. I was giving them people food and they would get sick. They would start having diarrhea and things. Anyway. So anyway, Louis seems to be doing better now since we got back from the doctor. But anyway, let's go ahead now. I think we have here the BoxyCharm. So hopefully this is the BoxyCharm because I love BoxyCharm. Yes. This is our BoxyCharm, the Secret Garden. And let's go ahead and see. Oh yes, you see, I think, call me crazy, but it seems like a lot of times BoxyCharm has a lot of skincare. And I really feel like I'm obsessed with skincare. I mean, I've always been obsessed with skincare, but sometimes I just, you know, one is calling my name over the other, like skincare or makeup. And right now, skincare is really calling my name more over the makeup. So look at this, guys. I'm so excited. This is the Murad. Now, I love Murad cleansers, and I've never tried this one. I used to buy the vitamin C one on repeat, but I never tried this one. This is a renewing cleansing cream. And look at how big it is. I mean, wow. This is like, lasts me forever. Look at this. This is a cleanser. Oh my goodness, it looks amazing. I can't wait. I love Murad. And actually I want to come and share with you beauties, but I had a Murad collagen cream and I started putting it under my eyes. It says it's for your face, but I started putting it under my eyes and I think it plumped up my under eyes. It's amazing. So I love that. And then here, oh, here's a product from Pixi. I love Pixi. This is the Rose Oil Blend Nourishing Face Oil. I think I've tried this before and I really loved it. It's just sometimes I don't use face oil, but I go through periods, you guys like me, like I'll use face oil and I won't. I guess if you have, you know, it depends. Like my skin is combination. That's why if you have dry skin, then you can use face oil all the time. If my face is irritated, I definitely was reaching for that. I loved it. It's so nourishing and it also plumps your skin too. And then here is a product from Love Script. This says your body is a temple, polish it. Oh, I guess this is a body polish. Sugar plum body polish, yes. Can't wait to try this because I am planning or hoping or wanting to do self-tanner. So for the body, so I don't know guys, I'm such a weirdo. I'm like, but because sometimes I really am enjoying being pale. And I always wanted, oh, I just saw something really nice. I always wanted to be tan. So now that I'm embracing my natural skin color for the first time in my life, I feel so good. I don't want to go back to my old self where I used to even go to tanning beds, you guys. That's how bad I could have. That's the worst thing ever. And some girl was working there, a young girl. She was only like 20 something. And I'm sorry. This girl I met came into my husband's studio, his tattoo studio, and she told me, she said, don't ever go to the tanning bed, and she had gotten skin cancer from the tanning bed. So I'm so lucky that I didn't get that because I was going a lot and my skin was burnt to a crisp, but I was like, I just didn't want to, I just was obsessed with not being pale, which is so awful. Like, because we should embrace whoever we are, dark, light, super pale, whatever we are, you know, it feels better to embrace. But it's fun to play with stuff, you know, with tanning creams and stuff. So that's why I did get one. But, you know, I'm just proud. I just feel good, though, that I'm not trying to change my skin color anymore. Like, you know. So anyway, but I bought it already, so I'll probably use it. But I can always return it. Anyway, I'll get, you know, we'll figure it out. But here is another product in our BoxyCharm. This is the Beauty For Real Lip Revival Serum Lipstick. Can't wait to try that. And then you guys, look at this. I can't believe it. They sent this beautiful looking palette. It's called Woman. I am a woman. I am a woman. What's your superpower? So look at this from Chetti, London. Wow. And actually, I'm having a giveaway. I just posted it on my Instagram for a bundle from Chetti, London. It's the Chetti, London lip oil. There's a cheek cream and a hydrating primer, all watermelon infused. So actually that's on my Instagram. I'll have it, you know, linked down below if you guys want to take part. You just have to comment on the last, the Chetti London video that I made. So here is the palette, you guys. Wow, looks like, oh, look how beautiful. Oh, this is gorgeous colors. Beautiful neutrals, but then also pops of color and shimmers. Oh, and the names are beautiful. I Am Me, Perfectly Not Perfect. See, this is really amazing. Confident, loud and proud, no apologies, girl power, audacious, self-love, fiercely fab. These are amazing. Empowered and beautiful stars. A beautiful mirror, and it has like, oh, I don't know if you guys can see, but it has stars all over. Strong, brave, wild, beautiful, independent woman, ambitious, unique means special. This, and you know, when you read the names, you don't have to read a lot, but you just take it in, and it really does. It's like a quick affirmation, and it really like kind of uplifts your soul when you read these kind of nice names of the shades and things like that, right? So I will definitely be treasuring this and doing a look with this, and I'll be back soon with that. So that's everything for my makeup subscription box unboxing today, beauties. Let me know what you guys like, and that's pretty much it, guys. So thank you so much for coming and spending time with me today. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being here for me, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.